Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to manually assigning a drive letter using command. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type Diskpart. Type list vol. Type cell space, vol space, 4. Type assign space, letter equal to any drive letter. Type exit, exit. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.